solid ground, putting it down. Get up, get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's five-time best-selling author Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device, my friends. Thank you very, very much. You know The Scoop is for your education, your entertainment, and your information only. Not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. I'm a researcher. I'm an author. I put together these books, and they're on Amazon.com. They're in your local library. They're in your local bookstore under Mickey D-E-E, my friends. I have to deal with the elements here, my friends. It's about 80 degrees or so today. It's going to be, I don't know, people are out walking, doing their thing. I'm in the desert southwest of America. Give me a couple weeks to gloat here, my friends, because it's going to be over 100 degrees Fahrenheit here pretty soon. So I won't be able to be out. I have to be indoor at all time, indoors, and you know the deal, guys. Welcome, you new private new Scoop team members. Let me see if I get your names right here. We got Jason. Welcome, Jason. We got Tarek. Welcome, Tarek. Kevin, Alonzo. Welcome. Jaquan. Welcome. Mike. Mike Chung. We have a lot of different mics. This is Mike Chung. Welcome. Biani. Welcome. Lisa Duck Juan. Welcome. Ichiro. Welcome. Degas. Welcome. Amari. Welcome. Vincent, didn't put the last name. I know we have Vincent Ramirez. Welcome, Vincent. We welcomed you before. You're good. Vincent is good. And Vincent Carter, that was the other name. Vincent Carter, welcome to the Scoop. You new Scoop team, private team members. You want to be a private team member, my friends, and get the baby knockouts early as a month in advance, like we're preparing right now. You know, you've heard the old saying, right? We're preparing right now, my friends. The old saying, tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. So we are preparing with our next trade that has to do with Africa that we will reveal here pretty soon, as when people get it, the private team members get in position and do their research and see what they want to do. We'll take it from there, my friends. A couple updates, though. I got to give you some updates. Shout out to all you private school members. Shout out to all my subscribers, my friends. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that button and make sure you give me a thumbs up. Let me know you're out there, my friends. It helps the algorithm. And if you've made money now or in the past, help the Scoop out, guys. You know, since we've been around, hey, there've been hundreds and hundreds of shows that have been, I would say, taken off the air or canceled, and we're still alive. You know, because and you guys are growing and growing and growing. It's great. We've been grinding, guys. We've been successful in some areas, and you know, we're not successful in other areas. But the one common denominator, my friends, here is getting in early, and that's what we do. So, my friends, I am now saying a different thing on as I update you with Bitcoin. Bitcoin at 59,000. Bitcoin's done very, very well, my friends. At 3,800. 4,000, 5,000 or something, 6,000, whatever it was, my friends. We did investing in Bitcoin, my friends. We looked at companies that, we looked at those stocks. We decided early on that we were going to go the stock route. So it's not a bad idea because a lot of people, Schwab and all that, had the same idea after we were on board with Riot at, you know, under $1 at like 90 something cents, Hut 8 at like 40 cents, you know, of course, Hive Blockchain at under 10 cents. We piled in, we backed up the truck and we piled into these stocks early, my friends. That's how you beat Wall Street. Now, Wall Street has caught up with the earliness, and full disclosure, I only own 100 shares right now of Riot Blockchain. Sure, I owned a whole lot more. And some of you got on my case a little bit because at $12 and $13, I started dwindling down a little bit and taking profits. And I said you could take profits also. And the same with Hive. And one that wasn't listed in the book was Marathon. And we did put that out there a while back. But, my friends, at 59, any of you that have been around this crypto, you know these things go up real fast. And they come down real fast. The old saying, what do? They take the stair steps up, you know, going up really slow. But when they come down, they take that elevator down, man. That's the old saying, and they really you can get messed up. Put it that way. You can get messed up. I mean, mentally, emotionally, your bank account, your trading account, it can get really hit really bad. So as a result of us being in so early, I'm thinking now may be a time if some of you want to, if you're up 2, 3, 5,000, 8,000%, whatever you're up right now, may be somewhat of a good time to take profits. Like I said before, the mistake I made during the dot-coms is I didn't hold on to some of those stocks. If I'd have held on to like 100 shares of Amazon, like I'm going to do with like the marijuana stocks, like I'm going to do with Riot right now, like I'm going to do with try and do with HUD 8, and I'm going to try and do these others. I'm going to try and hold on to just 100 shares just for the ride, because we've made I'm not, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered, and you guys know there's no piglet on here, my friends, because this is to me, this is for, I've had my fun in this market, and as long as you can be comfortable. Remember, I've had this talk before about the comfort level of the stock market. The stock market makes you comfortable, and that's extra money in addition to your job. And like I said, at one time, I made more money in the stock market than I did on my other streams of income, my regular job, and then my job on the side selling real estate. And then some years I did better in real estate. Some years I didn't make anything in real estate, and it was all in the stock market. And so you have these multiple streams of income, along with your regular job. You can always go to your regular job and you have these streams going on. So it makes, if you're young and you have a family coming up or something, mama likes it, bigger beans on the table, the car gets washed regularly, oil gets changed, you keep things up, and then you may be blessed enough to, hey, like we did a couple years ago, paid off some of those bills. A lot of you paid off your cars, paid off your houses. You did things, pay off your second mortgages. Things like that happen. You're able to take your family this coming up year. You're able to go on a nice vacation, do some of the better things in life, my friends. And that's really what this thing is all about. But I have to tell you guys, I have taken a step back on, rightfully or wrongfully, however you look at it. And I'm holding what I have. So there's no more consequential money going into Bitcoin. And for you private subscribers, look at your list of those Bitcoin stocks that we have, that we've put out. And some of those baby knockouts on there, I do have a few more of those, and I'll let you know in this newsletter coming up here. This update. It won't be a full newsletter. It'll be an update, and I'll be adding a stock to our current trade right now that we have going in Africa. That trade, I'll be adding a stock onto that. Remember, we stay way ahead of the crowd, guys. Way ahead of the crowd. Speaking of ahead, that's Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now. I'm just not putting any more consequential money into Bitcoin at these levels, because we've seen Bitcoin do a retracement before. It's easy, 25, 30, 45, 50%. We've seen it before, and it's at that point where we may go up more, which I do believe we will. 60, 65, 70, you still have time to make money. Don't get it twisted. You still have time to make money. Don't say, Mickey D's, sell your Bitcoin. No, I'm not saying sell your Bitcoin or do anything like that. I'm just telling you, we've reached levels now where we've got nosebleed levels, especially like with Riot and HUD 8, and we anticipate even more profits on top of these. I'm just giving you the early warning, guys, that Bitcoin does correct, and it corrects violently. So we have to be on our game, our A game, guys. Now, let me turn it from, let's go from Bitcoin. Let's go over to cannabis here real quick, my friends. This coming week, we're going to have some of the big ones. TrueLeaf, TerraSyn, Cresco Labs is going to have their earnings. We're going to have Grow Generation. They're going to have their earnings. Charlotte's Web is going to have its earnings. Also, you saw Curaleaf, what they did. And you saw what Green Thumb Industries, what they did. My friends, hundreds of millions of dollars for their year. So they expect a lot more. They're doing a lot more. My friends, when it comes to these American stocks that cannot list on the stock exchange right now because they need some new the Banking Act, which is on the table right now, there's some stuff going to the House of Representatives in the United States right now. So as we speak, so we'll see how that goes. They've introduced some stuff. We'll see how that goes. Legislation is the Safe Banking Act is slow. We expected it before. It was passed before. Passed again. Now we have the Senate there, which the Democrats control, and we expect it to pass. So when it passes, those particular companies, those American companies that will list on the exchange, it'll be a new game, my friends. Because their earnings right now, you compare their earnings to the Canadian company's earnings or any company anywhere in the world, and those earnings are so much better, my friends. That those earnings will be on the table this week. We're looking also for big legislation, my friends. Como there, Mario, I was calling him his dad's name, but that goes way back. His dad was going to run for president. I thought he would have won one year there, but anyway, that's the Comos. That's a family there. I don't want to hear anything about the Comos. They're what they are. They do their thing. But New York right now is on the verge of, and he's in a little hot water. And you know how things are done. You're in hot water, so you got to make concessions and you got to make things happen. I believe that New York is going to make marijuana happen. I believe New Mexico also. New Mexico's on the verge. They just may or may not make it happen. We will see. We will know here in the next few days, the next week or two. In New Mexico's case, we'll know probably in the next 24, 48 hours. But the direction that they want to go, those good people. But New Yorkers have proven over and over again that the surveys say that they want to legalize. They want to get, they want to kick prohibition in the butt. So that's what the New Yorkers have proven in their surveys. And once again, I got to apologize for the noise. I'm got a couple things going on around here. Apologize for the noise. But my friends, I want you to take a look. Marijuana Today, Vanadium and Uranium tomorrow. Companies get in early, hold, and grow rich. List of companies in there that are valuable, along with the companies that we mentioned on the Scoop channel here, my friends. Also, I wanted to give you just a quick uranium update. Now, guys, the 10 top uranium stocks that you should be in. How to invest in uranium now? That 19 has made prices go up because there's no production. Now, my friends, there's a lot going on right now. The 10, you go to page 53, and that's all you need to know. Go to page 53, and that's all you need to know. Airplane alert, my friends. Also, my friends, as I forgot to tell you about in marijuana, there's going to be a lot of group meetings. There's going to be a lot of committees. There's going to be a lot of things going on when it comes to marijuana investing in America and in Mexico and all over the world. How to start a marijuana investment club right here. This is a book for you. It's a little $10 book, my friends, that you can pick up that has all the information you need. Now, when this book first came out last year, was it last year or the year before? When it first came out, and I was directing a lot of the companies to go to the marijuana clubs. I was directing them to the ETFs that were $7, $8, $9, and $10 now. Well, those ETFs are now like $20, $18 right there. So there is still time. I think they're going to be going much higher. But you get your education on, and you know exactly what you need, and you know what that particular club that you may join, you know exactly what's going on there, my friends, with that. But just Junior Soul Mining Stocks Ready to Explode is out there. Do not discount gold and silver right now, my friends. I say that because when Bitcoin has a hiccup, you may see some of these companies in here that have exploded already, that are in very good shape. But as they come in right now, which they are, a lot of them are coming down in price because the gold and silver correction may have bottomed. I'm not calling the bottom, I'm just saying, take a look at it and keep them on your watch list, my friends. Big week coming up. We'll see what happens, my friends. What direction Bitcoin decides the weekend, what direction it wants to go in. We'll just, everything it is what it is, my friends. We'll just see. We'll stand pat. We'll keep exactly where we're going. We'll take a look at the earnings of, our Creso Labs or True Leave. We'll see what they're doing down there in Florida, which we've approved of forever. Our Mexico cannabis trade is alive and well. Glad to see Farmacido come down a little bit, where people can, take a look at it and maybe get an initial position. We'll see how that goes, my friends. Chiron, a lot of news getting ready to come out of Chiron Life Sciences. A lot of news has come out. There's going to be a lot more, my friends. Some sources are telling me that it's game on with Chiron Life Sciences. Blueberry Medical, still have some things they have to do. They have to put in motion, my friends. This game has not even started. No, I'm not worried about their horrible earnings. I've told you that before. These companies, these startup companies, some of them have hidden money. Some of them have money they don't want to disclose. Some of them are doing secret deals behind our back. We don't care. We already know that the production costs in Mexico, in Colombia, in some of these areas, they're going to rule the day. So if they have to go by way of Colorado, and Colorado turns into the supplier for the world by way of Mexico, that's the way it's going to go, my friends. I'm telling you, it's clear as day to this YouTuber. It's clear as day as to what's going to go on, my friends. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Enjoy some of this sun. Enjoy a beautiful, wonderful day if you can, my friends. Get out there. The things that are going on in America right now, I try and stay away from the politics. That's why I stayed away from one question from one of our subscribers. He was asking me about I think it was Texas or Florida, what was going on in Florida, how they were trying to cap THC levels and all that. I'm trying to stay away from that right now. I'm just trying to focus on those companies that will do the scoop justice now and in the long run as I compete with the truck over here, my friends. That's who we're looking at right now, and that's who we're focused on. We're focused on those companies that will benefit my subscribers. That's all, my friends. I'm focused on those companies. But as we look at Bitcoin, as we look at uranium, as we look at marijuana, as we look at gold and silver, my friends, those areas, I believe those are the areas on the boxing. Can you guys see that? You guys see that? Can you see that? Whew, baby knockouts. Man, our baby knockouts are tough, guys. And love you. God bless you. Take care. Thank you again for listening. You guys have a great, wonderful weekend, and enjoy you and your family. Like I said, enjoy some of this sun. It's a beautiful day in America, my friends. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. Take care. God bless you.